a struggle trying to figure out what footwear to wear for the show.
I totally agree with you. My feet are like, you're not in boots. What's going on? So let's focus
beautiful
on
color
Kalani.
on you. Gorgeous.
Yes. Brand new today, more new for you. There's over 7 new in this 2-hour special. New today. Only day at this price tag of just under $50. This price is going up and away at the end of the day. Everything we have is here, so if your color and size sells out, guess what? You're going to be bugging Angel till 2026. She doesn't mind, but you know, she'd rather have you just chat. 100% cotton knit, right?
Yep.
Double extra small through 5X. Up front is hot coral, and that's what
Gorgeous.
Kalani looks so amazing in.
Vibrant and stunning. Love, love, love.
That one is called Lilac. Look how pretty that is.
It's so pretty. And I love how we added like a brighter green here and a brighter blue here to really pop on
It's
that
like a
purple.
painting. So
it
pretty.
really is. It really is.
And then I'm wearing the dark navy.
Gorgeous. So Pat, you know, once again, you know, like my cardigan, we're giving you 100% cotton, 3/4 length sleeves, you know, nice round neckline, not too low, not too wide. And then you get that print once again.
Look how pretty.
But it's different than the other prints that I'm wearing, and prints that we have coming up in the show. It's just a nice, again, a nice layer to add to our collection, something. But I have to tell you that, you know, once again, this is my favorite kind of garden because there's no fertilizer needed.
You have a
There's
beautiful
no water.
backyard.
We do.
Yeah.
I have to give credit to my hubs
Yeah, he's the gardener.
because he's the
that's
gardener.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well,
like-
you all have, you know, you both have your talents.
Exactly.
So
I can
that's why it
bake
works.
a mean pound cake.
Yes, you can.
So-
All right, these are going very, very
Oh, boy.
quickly, as
Okay.
one would suspect, because the price on this, under $50, and it's easy. I'm 50%, I might be 55% dressed with this on.
Yeah.
That's the nice thing. You pull it on over your head. That's what Kalani and I did. This is a semi-fit on QVC, so you can see it fits here, does not pull there, fits here, and then it relaxes. It eases through the tummy, through the lower tummy, through the hip area, and there's little vents here, so if I wanted to put my hands in my pocket, I could go ahead and put my hand in the pocket if I wanted to do that. And the, oh gosh, the sleeves are too short, they're too long. You don't have to worry about it, covers your elbow, you're good.
I love that. And here's the thing, with a top like this, you know, maybe you work at a place that's very conservative and you're going back into the office a little bit more, and maybe you can't wear, as Jean would say, a big honkin' snowman. Remember she would say stuff like that?
Yes,
a big honkin' snowman. So maybe you can't wear that kind of stuff, but a beautiful, elegant floral print, you can wear that to the office after 5. Are you going to the flower show in your town?
I know, I can't wait for the flower show.
Right? Easter, Mother's
Yes.
Day, birthday.
You're
wearing
going
this.
to a shower, you're on vacation.
Yes.
It's just
Yes,
pretty.
it is.
Just
Really
so
stunning.
pretty. All
And
right.
don't be afraid of a print because it's camouflaging.
Well, and this is a long, thin, elongating
Yes.
print, which you can see there on those flowers. Absolutely beautiful. All right, do we want to do updates? Only day at under $50. Brand new today, you're saving $10. 800 now already spoken for. You already put it in your cart, you checked out. You might, depending on your budget, you might even want to go ahead and do more than one of these, because get it home and wear it now, because if I get something, I got to wear it now.
Yes.
I wash it and then the next day I'm wearing it into QVC.
Agreed.
So you
Agreed.
could always layer a cardigan or put your jean jacket over this if you wanted to do something like that. That's a nice thing. And then the first nice warm day, you just throw it on and you're good.
It'll be great with your capris
Yeah.
and your skirts
Yes.
or your shorts even. I mean,
Yeah.
it is very versatile.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so here is the lilac. You know what, can I ask a favor also? Allie, would you mind, if somebody doesn't know Quacker, I don't want you to just think these are prints, because there's the Quacker magic right
Bit
there.
of sparkle.
Yeah.
Sparkle and shine every day.
I mean, look how pretty that is. Just enough sparkle. So
Yeah.
as you said, if where you're going is a little bit more conservative, this one is just, it's pretty. It's just beautiful. All right, there's your lilac. Here's your hot coral that Kalani is looking so beautiful in. And just a reminder, she is our petite for us. And then I have on the dark navy. That's super popular. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a really nice dark navy. So I could have done it with the dark, like a darker denim with it if I wanted to, with white if you wanted to do something like that. Yep. Oh, and the medium wash, definitely. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's a gorgeous top. And once again, if embroidery is what you're looking for, we have that coming up. But if you're looking for something that's unique and different,
Something different.
you know,
Right.
there's something that you can wear wherever and whenever, this is absolutely lovely. You throw on your Barefoot Dreams cardigan right now when it's a
nice.
little chilly outside. You know, I mean, it's just something that is lovely and gets us through that hump of what's gray and
How
brown
long was
outside
January?
right now.
8 years long?
Yeah, it was pretty
What
much
was
8 years.
January?
Yeah.
Like, and we all agree upon it. It wasn't like just me. We're all saying. And then the groundhog had the audacity to tell us there were 6 more weeks of
Phil.
winter. I will say, I would never hurt them. They can live under my shed, but I'm not really fond of you. You're not my favorite animal. And there's no kind of crystals on the back of this, so you don't have to worry.
Right.
You
But
know.
I love how that print is still coming up from the bottom, gives some interest, gives a little dimension, also, you know, takes your eye away.
Not everybody does
because
that.
of the print. That's true.
At this price, a lot of times all you get is that print in the front, right?
Absolutely,
And
yes.
even at prices a lot more expensive than that. 1,300? 1,300 already ordered because you're smart, because you know that when you get this home, you're going to fall in love with it. Listen, here's that Q card moment. You know, QVC store card or QVC Q card, that would be 5 easy pays at $10. All right,
Wow.
a little more than that because of the shipping and handling and any tax if your state insists on that. Then, you know, think about it. You're getting something that's only sold on QVC that looks like a painting. It's so
Yeah.
pretty.
I mean, this could be framed and put in a museum for sure.
Yeah,
It's
so
that
pretty.
lovely.
Let's talk a little bit about the quality of the cotton because
Okay.
if Jane was here with us, and Jane, if you're listening, we hope that
Yes.
you're finally feeling better,
Please.
our friend. But it's not a cotton t-shirt.
No.
Talk to me about the cotton and the quality.
It is beefy without being bulky, has a beautiful
a good
silky, soft hand feel to it. This is not a throwaway top.
Nope.
This is something you care for it, you will have it for many, many years.
Yep. And you'll look pretty and you'll look joyful and delightful and spring. All right, here is your lilac, your hot coral, and then your dark navy. $16.66. That price is going up at the end of the day. All right. So